Hi guys, today I want to show you how to replace the brake pads on a third generation Hyundai Tucson. In the video description you will find a link to another video that shows several different methods to compress the brake pistons without a dedicated tool. Let's get started. Before lifting the car, slightly loosen the wheel nuts. Just a little, don't remove them yet. Use the jack and place it in correct jacking point under the car. This is very important. Placing the jack in the wrong spot can cause permanent damage. Once the jack is correctly positioned, lift the car. Now unscrew the wheel nuts completely and remove the wheel. For safety, place the removed wheel under the car near the jack, just in case. I'm using a flathead screwdriver to compress the pistons. To remove the brake caliper, also called the brake piston assembly, use the 14 mm socket spanner. A socket spanner is preferred for this task.